Achoo! Have you ever wondered why on earth
Achoo!
do we sneeze? Imagine this, you are walking in the garden and suddenly a tiny dust particle sneaks into your nose. Your nose is like a superhero guard. It doesn't like strangers barging in. So, what does your nose do? It sends a quick message to your brain, and boom, you sneeze. That powerful sneeze pushes the dust, germs, or pollen right out of your nose like a rocket. Did you know? Sneezes can travel faster than a race car. So, next time you sneeze, remember it's your nose saving the